watching the News Hour Special Edition.
Debate number one is the row over offering namaz in Gurugram in Haryana and what the Chief Minister has said. After weeks of protest by the right-wing groups against offering of Friday namaz in open in Gurugram, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has drawn the line. The Chief Minister has said that namaz in open won't be tolerated as it leads to confrontation. He further stated that efforts were on to find an amicable solution in the matter. Chief Minister's remarks triggered a sharp reaction from the opposition. The Congress party is questioning the intent of the government. Listen in.
खुले में ऐसा कार्यक्रम नहीं होना चाहिए। ये नमाज पढ़ने की जो प्रथा यहाँ खुले में हुई है ये कतई भी सहन नहीं की जाएगी, लेकिन इसमें से उन साथ बैठ करके एमिकेबल सोल्यूशन निकाला जाएगा। उन्होंने भी कहा कि बहुत सी हमारे पास ज़मीनें हैं जहाँ हमें अनुमति दी जाए, या कुछ ज़मीनें ऐसी हैं जो उनकी अपनी ज़मीन होगी या वक़फ़ की होगी, उसमें कहीं अनक्रोच्ड एरिया है, वो भी कैसे उनको उपलब्ध कराया जा सके, और या फिर अपने घर में नमाज पढ़ें, खुले में नमाज पढ़ करके। और ये आपसी टकराव भी है, नहीं होना चाहिए, इसको किसी यानी हालत में टकराव नहीं होने देंगे। कुछ बैठ करके बातचीत करके आपस में फैसला भी किया था, लेकिन वो फैसला भी कई स्थान जो रिजर्व कर दिए गए थे उसको हमने वापस ले लिया है। अब नए सिरे से सारी बातचीत करके और उनको उनके हिसाब से यानी सबको फैसिलिटी मिले, कोई किसी के अधिकारों में हस्तक्षेप ना करे, लेकिन जबरदस्ती वो किसी को नहीं करने दी जाएगी।
देखिए, बड़ा ही विवादित मसला है और जब तक कि दूसरे तरफ के पक्ष की बात न आए तो हम इस पर कुछ नहीं कह सकते। लेकिन ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सत्ता में रहने का, वोट पाने का तरीका यही रह गया और कोई तरीका नहीं रह गया। रोहतक में चर्च के ऊपर हमला करवाया, रुड़की में चर्च को तोड़वाया, हमला करवाया। हमेशा राजनीतिक माहौल है कम्युनलिज्म से चार्ज रहे ताकि लोगों को रोजी रोटी की तरफ नज़र न जाए। बेरोजगारी इतनी भयंकर है, उस पर लोगों की नज़र न जाए। महंगाई इतनी ज़्यादा है तो देश को ये बर्बाद कर दे रहे हैं।
You're watching the News Hour Special Edition, Debate number one on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Let's open this up. We are joined by Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP. We also have Abdul Razak, political analyst, and Danish Qureshi would also be joining us on the broadcast. In fact, he's already with us on the panel. Good evening to all of you. I first want to come to you, Abdul Razak. If you heard the Chief Minister, he said, we don't want confrontations. Till then, everyone should offer their prayers at their residence. He also said, assured, that an amicable solution will be found. Then why is it that the intent of the government is being questioned?
Swati ji, an elected government should always focus on promoting social harmony, unity and diversity, and not given to extremists and radicals and the intolerant. You know, these kind of voices were raised in 2018 and it was the government committee, a committee formed by the government which designated places of different open places to offer namaz. So after giving this in 2018, today you are taking it back. That means you are giving in to the radicals, to the extremists. An elected government, it is so unfortunate. What I'm trying to convey is the intention of the Muslim side is not to disturb or inconvenience anybody. It is not the main road. We are asking for open places and exclusively on a Friday afternoon, only for 15 minutes and not more. Only for 15 minutes. That is the only time when all the Muslims come together and perform namaz. So the people who are voicing against this order, or the people who are welcoming this order, the people who are welcoming this order should equally, today go ahead and say, how about these pandals, the Ganapati pandal, the Durga Puja pandal, the all kinds of festivals. You talk about
you're
Holi,
saying no kind of
Navratri,
puja, no kind of prayers, whether it's by the Muslim community, the Hindu community or the Christian community, should be allowed in public space. And you're saying we don't want to occupy highways and roads, we want open spaces. So let's take a counter from Sanju Verma. The Congress has questioned the intent of the government, and what Mr. Razak was just citing, that 37 places were designated as places where namaz prayers can be offered after taking the Hindu and the Muslim community in confidence, after consulting with them. Then why is it that permission was withdrawn for eight sites? Is the government giving into pressure that is being mounted by Hindu groups? That's the question.
First and foremost, let me tell you that law and order is a state subject under the 7th schedule of the Constitution. So the state government, in this case, Chief Minister Khattar and his government, they are well within their rights to decide what needs to be done to ensure that there is no escalation of any religious divide based on emotion. Because let's be very honest, worship, religion, these are subjects which are very close to the relevant community's heart, and escalation of emotions is very easy. So you are sort of walking on tinder fire. The second important thing is that what is a public space? Now, Swati, even public space, land is a state subject. And only land acquisition is a concurrent subject where the central government comes in. So as far as public space, how they will be administered, how public space will be used, it could be a park, it could be a school campus, it could be a college campus, it could be a sidewalk, it could be a promenade. You know, what is a public space and how this needs to be utilized, that is also under the Indian Constitution, a prerogative which vests with the state government. So Chief Minister Khattar is again well within his right to decide what he has to do with a certain public space. I did not interrupt you.
When every other program is allowed on public places, why only Muslims?
Okay, let her finish.
Ma'am,
let her finish.
all religious functions and festivals are being
Mr. Razak, let her finish. I'll give you ample opportunities to counter her, but let us just finish.
Yes. You know, the fact that this gentleman, Abdul Razak Khan, got so rattled, it shows he does not like to listen to the hard truth. The fact is, when you have a Ram Navami celebration, when you have, a Ganesh Puja, a Saraswati Puja celebration, a Durga Puja celebration, you basically have that celebration for 1 day, for 3 days, or for maximum 5 or 7 days. You don't encroach on a public space every Friday for 3 to 4 hours, inconveniencing the local shopkeepers, the local community, the local school-going crowd, the local college-going crowd, the local traders. I want to tell you one thing. Swati, your audience needs to know that there are about 20 to 22 masjids in Gurugram.
Okay.
And it is said that earlier, yes, there were some designated public places where people could congregate for Friday namaz. But gradually, what was supposed to be a 1 hour, 2 hour or 3 hour congregation used to go on for 7 to 8 hours, causing a public nuisance.
But then the time can be revised. Sanju Verma, the question is, why were permissions withdrawn for 8 places? And were members of the Muslim community consulted before government took this decision? What changed all of a sudden, if not for pressure that was being mounted by certain groups?
30 seconds. First and foremost, Swati, let me tell you, the government is not obliged to discuss with Muslim groups, just as the government is not obliged to discuss with Hindu groups. So let's not get this Hindu-Muslim thing into everything. ML Khattar is the Chief Minister of Haryana. If he has taken a decision that public places cannot be treated as a place of encroachment where you go and create a nuisance under the garb of offering prayers, he as the Chief Minister has the right to act in a certain way.
Then you should not allow Navratri, you should not allow Durga Puja, you should not allow Ganapati Puja.
Okay, I want to bring in Danish Qureshi as well. Danish Qureshi, BJP's argument that this is not about Hindus and Muslims, this is about law and order. The Chief Minister in a statement said that this leads to confrontation. He does not want such a situation and he will reach an amicable solution. He said, we will speak to the members, we will find a solution to all of this.
Swati, what the thing is that we have reserved in the top of the democracy, which are Anglo-Indians. But lack of people, those who are residing in Haryana, they can't get land for their religious prayer. Problem is that a Chief Minister of the state wants an amicable solution. Although he is the key authority of the state to resolve every problem of the citizen, instead of resolving the problem, he became the party with the fascist group. those who want to oppose, those who want to politicize, those who want to criminalize the situation in Haryana. Although Mr. Razak said that more than 18 spots are being identified and reports were being handed over in 2018 to the Chief Minister of the state. Why the government is not working on that?
Okay.
Why they don't want solution? Because they don't want it.
One second. The other argument that comes up whenever this issue is discussed is there are a lot of spaces or let's say land which is under the Waqf board. Why isn't a demand made within the community to the Waqf board to allot land so that prayers can be offered there?
Didn't get you, Swati. Please.
My question is, this point or this argument comes up every time the issue is discussed. The issue about the land which is under the Waqf board. Why isn't there a demand raised within the community to the Waqf board to allot that land for offering prayers?
That is my single line question to Sanju Verma ji, that who will resolve this problem? Either the government will resolve this problem or the passive forces. Those who are on the ground.
The Chief Minister did not say that he does not want the issue to be resolved. The Chief Minister in that statement said that we will find an amicable solution, but we don't want confrontation.
Can I answer that,
Yes.
Swati?
Yes.
Swati, Danish Qureshi raised a valid point. I just want to say one thing. While the prerogative, as I said, rests with the Chief Minister ML Khattar, he has on record made a statement. He will have consultation with the Gurugram Metropolitan Development Authority because a large part of what we term as public space comes under their jurisdiction. And I'm sure ML Khattar will find a peaceful resolution. But let me tell you, Sector 29 was given 15 years back for offering namaz. Sector 29 in Gurugram. And you said Sector 29 के बाद हमको और कहीं पर भी नमाज पब्लिक में नहीं पढ़नी है. Then you encroached on Sector 37. Then you encroached on Sector 53. Then you encroached on Sector 57. It started with Sector 29 and then you kept adding sectors. So this cannot be a plea for all. Do Hindus come every Friday and congregate and make life miserable?
Okay, one by one. Gentlemen, please, one by one. Abdul Razak and then Mr. Danish Qureshi.
Using the word
Why do you have to come out every Friday on railway stations?
Gentlemen, one by one.
Swati,
One by
I
one.
would like to
Mr.
say,
Razak.
Madam Sanju Verma should stop using the word encroachment.
Yes, I will use the word encroachment.
Madam Sanju Verma should stop using the word encroachment. Nobody is permanently claiming the place. It is only for 15 minutes. Sitting on a national channel, she blatantly tells lies that we use the place for 7 hours when the namaz is exclusively for 15 minutes only. It may be for a maximum of 20 minutes, nothing more than that. Madam, a Muslim is obligated to pray 5 times.
Citizens of Haryana.
Madam, a Muslim is obligated. Come on, stop heckling Sanju ji.
Okay. Danish Qureshi also wants to make a point.
You are caught red-handed.
Okay, Danish Qureshi also wants to come in. Danish Qureshi.
Yes, Sanju ji, my simple question to you is the Khattar government is going to hand over those 90 spots, those mosques, those who are not in use, the land of the Waqf which has been demanded by the Muslim groups of the Gurugram, and what will be the action? Till today, we saw the statement of Chief Minister Khattar is look like a biased statement who is favoring or appeasing to the group those who are against this prayer.
Okay, Danish Qureshi, my question is, and this is one question that is asked very often. If you could provide some clarity and clarification on that. If religion is a personal issue, then why can't prayers be offered in personal space instead of a public place by causing inconvenience to others? Are there not enough mosques? Just listen to me. I'm trying to seek clarification. I'm not alleging. I'm not leveling any allegations. I'm just trying to understand for my benefit. Why can't prayers be offered in personal space? 1, 2, are there not enough mosques or premises in Haryana where namaz can be offered?
Swati, my clear stand is that peoples are there. Those who are they are the people in Haryana are very financially sound. If government can allot them the land, they can buy for the mosque. But the problem is state government himself wants to create a controversy in the name of religion, which is the basic core of Bharatiya Janata Party, the politics of entire India. We saw how did they criminalize the situation. Once again, I am repeating, instead of resolving the problem Khattar is creating the problem over there. That is the main issue.
Okay.
Why did
Okay, the
Khattar
government
was
does not
made
want a resolution. That's the allegation, that the government does not want a resolution. And this issue is being given a communal color. Sanju Verma.
नहीं है, अपने घर के अंदर नमाज पढ़िए, रास्ते पर नमाज पढ़ने का हक
अरे
आपको
हम तो
किसने
रास्ते
दिया?
में ही पढ़ेंगे।
रेलवे
अगर
स्टेशन
आपकी
के
भाषा
ऊपर
में
नमाज
बात करेंगे,
पढ़ने का
संजू
हक
जी,
किसने दिया?
तो आप
स्कूल
गणपति
के कैंपस
पंडाल
पर
घर पे
नमाज
लगाइए
पढ़ने
ना।
का हक किसने दिया?
आप
Public
गणपति
space
पंडाल
meant
घर पे
for the
लगाइए ना।
public. You are
नवरात्रि
not
घर पे
going to
करिए ना।
enforce
आप
on
रावण
public
के
No,
घर
one
पे
second, please. 1 second. Sanju Verma, in that case. No, 1 second, please. If public place cannot be used for one particular community's benefit or for them offering prayers, then Sanju Verma, there's a valid question that is being asked about the same benefit being extended to the Hindu community during Navratra or during Ganeshotsav.
I will answer that. I already told you, Swati, be it Govardhan Puja, be it Ganesh Puja, be it Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja, you use public land with specific permission from the city commissioner, the DM, the state authorities, only for a specified period of time. यहाँ तो free for all है कि जब मन किया 400 लोग इकट्ठा हो गए, कभी सेक्टर 29 में, कभी सेक्टर 53 में, कभी सेक्टर 30।
अब इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? नहीं, अब इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है संजू वर्मा? ये किसी के फेथ की बात है, किसी के रिलीजन की बात है, कोई प्रेयर्स ऑफर करना चाहता है एंड नोबडी, 1 सेकेंड, कोई प्रेयर्स ऑफर करना चाहता है, वो भी आपके कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स हैं, वो भी आपके कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स है संजू वर्मा, दे वांट टू ऑफर प्रेयर्स, इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ फेथ एंड रिलीजन।
Let me answer. I heard you. Let me answer. स्वाति, मैं साल में 7 दिन गणपति पूजा होती है महाराष्ट्र में, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 दिन, 2 दिन, 3 दिन बाहर हम लोग हर्ष उल्लास से मनाते हैं। बाकी दिन चाहे सरस्वती पूजा हो, दुर्गा पूजा हो, हम अपने घर के अंदर मनाते हैं। हम हर शुक्रवार 700-800 लोग मिलकर रास्ते के ऊपर बाकी लोगों को तकलीफ में नहीं डालते। So the Muslims have to look for solutions within their community. Why don't you release waqf land?
But if then they have to look for solution within the community, why is the chief minister giving them an assurance? Why did the chief minister say we will come up with an amicable solution? And if this is something that happens every Friday, shouldn't there be a concrete solution? Shouldn't there be a concrete solution to the issue?
The concrete solution is Muslims need to learn to pray within the 4 walls of their home rather than making a public spectacle. I would have said the same thing if it were a Hindu or a Christian.
Muslim has
We
to
don't
learn how
celebrate.
to act. Okay. And CM Khattar, the chief minister of the state, has not told what the constitutional duty of the chief minister is.
Sanju Verma
You want to
comes from the same radical lobby which wants to disturb the social fabric of this society, which wants to disturb social harmony.
और बाकी सारी हरियाणा की जनता को जो तकलीफ होती है होने दो, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
If it is about causing inconvenience, then public places should not be allowed to be used by any community, even if it causes 1% inconvenience to people, no matter if it's for 1 day or every day in a year. The government of Haryana says it's an issue of law and order. People from the Muslim community and the religious leaders believe that there's some sort of a vendetta. The opposition, in fact, also questions the government's intent. Sanju Verma will stay on with us. Abdul Razak and Danish Qureshi, thank you very much for joining us on debate number 1.
The News Hour Special Edition.